Morning yoga is the most energizing, enlightening experience. Once you make it a daily habit, you will notice a wide variety of changes to your body and mind. It helps in increasing flexibility and can eliminate generalized or specific body pain. Here is a great and simple morning yoga sequence for beginners to help get you started. Sit in any comfortable position, close your eyes and observe your breathing pattern. Inhale and exhale. Prepare yourself mentally for yoga practice. Slowly open your eyes and stand up. Start the practice with suryanamaskar. The link to the video for how to do suryanamaskar is given in the video description. Do it for 3 rounds. After completing 3 rounds, relax, legs apart, hands tied at the back and head tilted backwards. Padahasthasana. Slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly inhale and raise your hands. Give a slight backward bend. Exhale and bend forwards. Normal breathing in final position. Do not strain. Inhale and raise your hands. Exhale and release your hands. Relax. Ardhachakrasana. Slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Inhale and support your hips with the help of your hand. Exhale and bend backwards. Normal breathing in final position. Inhale and release. Exhale and release your hands. We are doing an asana in supine position. Lie down on your back, legs apart, hands apart, head in any comfortable position. Uttanapadasana. Bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly inhale and raise your both legs together to 90 degrees. Maintain wherever you can. Do not strain. In the final position, normal breathing. Exhale and release slowly. Relax by keeping your legs apart, hands a little apart. Next, we are doing an asana in prawn position. Lie down in a prawn position with legs apart, hands crossed in front and head resting on the hands. Bhujangasana. Slowly bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body, forehead resting on the floor. Place your hands by the side of your chest. Inhale and raise your chest slowly. Normal breathing in final position. Slowly exhale and release. Release your hands and relax. Next, we are doing an asana in sitting position. Sit down with your legs apart, hands at the back and head tilted backwards. Vaajrasana. Bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly bend your left leg and place it below your hips. Shift your weight onto the left foot and slowly bend your right leg also. In the final position, sit in between your foot and place your palm on your knees. Normal breathing. Vaajrasana is a beautiful meditative posture. From here, we are moving on to Yogamudrasana. Make a fist of your hand and place it on the side of your navel region. Inhale deeply and bend forward and try to touch your forehead to the floor. Normal breathing in final position. Inhale and release. Release your hands and release your legs. And relax. Pranayama is practice of controlling the breath. Today, we are doing sheethali pranayama. Sheethali pranayama is a breathing practice that very effectively cools the mind, body, and the emotions. Extend the tongue outside, roll the tongue, curling the sides in towards the center to form a tube. Inhale deeply and feel the cool air passing in between through your tongue. Close your mouth and exhale through your nose. Do it for 5 rounds. After 5 rounds, close your eyes and just observe your breath. As you complete today's yoga practice, take a positive affirmation and repeat it mentally for 3 times. And slowly open your eyes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.